Avenue is a smart ticketing tool for operations teams. Here in the Signals view, you see all tickets. Each ticket represents a unique work stream for the operations team to address and triage. With customized roles known as monitors, you can create tickets and assign, manage, and close them out in Avenue. Monitors are the rules you set up that create signals. They can be created from your underlying data in the format of an event monitor, report monitor, or metric monitor, via a form submission, a webhook, or a reaction or a new message in Slack. To configure the logic behind your monitor, you can use SQL or a visual query editor. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up a monitor using SQL. So I'm going to show you a monitor for all new users. So I'm just pulling in all new users from our Postgres table. Once I have my query results, I need to identify what makes something unique. So in this case, it's going to be email. From there, I'll decide if I want an event or a report monitor. In this case, I want to get it alerted every time someone signs up for Avenue, so I'm going to choose an event monitor. And I want to know in real time, so I want to look every 30 seconds. Next, I'm going to configure the message that I want to create in the ticket, which is new user sign up. From here, I can pull in the email and other dynamic columns generated from the SQL query. Once I save this, I have a signal. So what's happening here is I've created the underlying rule, and I now have a signal, which is the ticket message that says new user has signed up with the underlying data fields being filled in. From here, I want to create a ticket. So whenever a ticket kicks off, I want the status to go to open, and I want to assign it to the sales team. I then need to set up my playbook, which is the steps required to close out the ticket. So in this case, there are a couple different things I need to have the sales team do in order to make sure that this new customer gets onboarded to Avenue. First off, I need to notify our Slack sales channel to let them know that someone signed up. Next, I'm going to add an escalation group in the case that someone doesn't grab this. I'm going to text our CEO. This is important business. From here, I want to add a playbook step that asks a question of the assignee. So I'm continuing to set up my playbook. And what I'm doing is I'm asking the sales associate what the contract price is that they see in Salesforce. And I'm having them send this back to Salesforce to make sure it's correct. From here, I'm going to add a status that closes out this ticket. Set status to close once this Salesforce ticket gets set.